Previously on DeFi Wisdom, we traveled from Tesla's temples of ether to the hidden harmonics of your nervous system. We decoded electromagnetic warfare, built energetic sanctuaries, and summoned the scalar blueprints of the future. But today, something shifts. A new kind of battleground emerges, not of atoms but of algorithms. Keep watching. Welcome to DeFi Wisdom Phase 4, Digital World, Stealth and Influence, where the battlefield is attention and the weapon is frequency. This phase will unfold across 5 dimensions: building a digital wisdom empire, censorship-proof platforms, mass influence psychology, cryptographic defense and online invisibility, and lastly, hidden teachings in pop culture. But first, what does it mean to rule a kingdom made of zeros and ones? What does it mean to lead in silence, not from shadows, but from strategy? To shape minds without ever showing your face. Not to hide, but to let the message speak louder than the messenger. What does it mean to teach without being seen? It means embodying wisdom so deeply, your presence is felt even in absence. In this era of recycled noise, true creators don't just automate, they alchemize. They remix, reshape and rebirth meaning into new forms. The faceless teacher is not a shortcut, it's a sacred path, a digital monk whose fingerprint is creativity itself. In today's transmission, you'll do more than learn. Start by crafting your digital identity, not just a name, but a frequency. Ask yourself, what essence do I want to transmit? Wisdom? Peace, strategy, fire? Give that frequency a tone, a rhythm, a visual language, a signature. Then outline your value ladder. What sacred gifts can you offer freely? What deeper levels of transformation deserve energy exchange? This ladder begins at the base, a free PDF, audio series, or digital grimoire that reflects your truth. Host it on an encrypted cloud or decentralized drive, and link it to a secure opt-in form. In this way, you'll have opened the doors of your digital temple. Add one mid-tier offering, a digital class, a ritual guide, a video library. Set a fair exchange, not to sell, but to sustain your sovereignty. Platforms like Gumroad allow you to receive support and serve without being owned. Now here's where stealth meets automation. Integrate a soft funnel, soulful messages triggered after someone downloads your guide. These are not just emails. They are whispers in digital space. Your voice, your mission, your impact. But in this digital matrix, privacy is power. That's why you must cloak your movement. Secure your browsing with VPNs like NordVPN or ProtonVPN, tools that mask your IP, encrypt your transmissions, and grant you digital invisibility as you ascend. But as quantum computing advances, traditional encryption will crumble in seconds. That's why forward-looking platforms are now adopting post-quantum encryption, a new layer of cryptography engineered to resist even the brute force of quantum attacks. Think of it as armor from the future, forged in math too complex for even quantum machines to pierce. This isn't just privacy, it's post-quantum sovereignty. This next-gen protection is already being offered by providers like NordVPN, now preparing for a quantum-secure future. Tap the link in the description below to explore it, and fortify your path with encryption built for the next era. Want to make this sustainable? Integrate affiliate flows. Recommend these tools, books, or crypto apps that resonate with your mission. Add your unique links to your content, your vaults, your messages. This isn't marketing, it's resonance alignment. The passive income isn't the goal, it's the signal that your energy is creating waves without you being present. And this is what we call a passive impact machine. A system that teaches, transmits, and transforms while you rest, reflect, or retreat. And here comes the challenge. For the next 7 days, share one signal per day, a quote, a voice note, a short post, or a tiny transmission that carries your essence. It doesn't need to go viral.
It just needs to exist.
Because from that one signal, others will find the frequency and respond. And remember, this is not a race.
It's a tuning.
Stay disciplined, stay consistent, and the algorithmic dragon will bow. In the next episode, we will explore the ancient future art of censorship-proof platforms, digital temples that no algorithm can touch. But for now, remember, you are not here to impress, you are here to imprint. If this resonates, you know what to do. Like to ripple this message across the matrix. Subscribe to align your frequency with future transmissions and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next episodes. Share with another seeker ready to build their digital sanctuary. And now, a final question to echo in your field. If one message you share today were to ripple across time, what soul code would you embed in it?